AutomateIt is a simple yet powerful automation tool for Android. This video will demonstrate several scenarios to assist you in your first steps to automate it. Let's define a simple rule to unmute the device on an incoming message with specific text. First, click the New Rule button on the top left side of the main screen. Now, let's select the appropriate trigger from the available triggers list. We'll select the SMS with text trigger, and configure it using the Settings button. This trigger configuration requires us to define the specific text within the message that will launch the trigger. Don't forget to click the Save button. We can now select our rule's action from the actions list. We'll select the Set Sound Mode action, and keep its default setting, which sets the device sound mode to normal. Let's set the rule name, and save our first rule. After saving the rule, all that's left is send a message to our device with the defined text, and see that the sound mode changes to normal. This was a basic rule with a single trigger in action. AutomateIt Pro allows you to create rules with multiple triggers or actions. For instance, we can create a rule to disable wireless networks, and show a notification on the notification bar when the battery level drops below a certain level. We'll use the battery level trigger, and set it to launch when the battery level drops below 30%. Then, we'll use the composite action to combine several actions in a single rule. In this example, we'll use 2 actions, but you can have as many actions as you require in a single composite action. We'll configure the notification action to show a message, define the message title and text, and use sound, vibration and flashlight indications. By clicking on the green Add Action button, we'll add a second action to disable wireless networks connection on the device. After configuring the trigger in action, we'll set the rule name and save the rule, as we already saw on the previous example. These examples are just the tip of the iceberg as far as what you can accomplish with AutomateIt. The large selection of triggers and actions allows you to create innumerable combinations to gain full control over your Android device.